Crash Course on Florida, USA. Florida, the Sunshine State, is a vibrant and diverse state located in the southeastern region of the United States. Let's explore the key aspects of Florida. Geographical location. Florida is situated on a peninsula, bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the Gulf of Mexico to the west. It is the southernmost state in the contiguous United States, with a subtropical climate that attracts visitors from around the world. Capital. The capital city of Florida is Tallahassee, located in the northern part of the state. Tallahassee is known for its rich history, vibrant art scene, and proximity to natural wonders. Population. Florida is the third most populous state in the U.S., with a population of over 21 million people. The state is home to a diverse population, including a significant Hispanic and Latino community. Economy. Florida has a robust and diverse economy, driven by various sectors. Tourism plays a crucial role, thanks to the state's beautiful beaches, theme parks, and natural attractions. Other significant industries include aerospace and aviation, agriculture, healthcare, and international trade. Education. Florida boasts numerous higher education institutions, including the University of Florida, Florida State University, and the University of Miami. The state has a focus on research and innovation, particularly in the fields of space exploration and biotechnology. Brief history. Florida has a rich and complex history, shaped by Native American civilizations, Spanish colonization, and British and American rule. It played a significant role in the Spanish-American War and World War II, with military bases and historical sites still present today. Cultures and politics. Florida is a melting pot of cultures, influenced by Native American, Spanish, Cuban, and Caribbean traditions. The state's diverse communities contribute to a vibrant art scene, delicious cuisine, and unique festivals. Politically, Florida is considered a swing state, where both major political parties have a significant presence. Top 12 attractions in Florida. 1. Walt Disney World Resort. Experience the magic of Disney with its theme parks, including Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Animal Kingdom. 2. Miami Beach. Enjoy the stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and Art Deco architecture in this iconic coastal city. 3. Everglades National Park. Explore the vast wetlands, spot alligators and unique wildlife, and take a thrilling airboat ride. 4. Kennedy Space Center. Discover the history and future of space exploration, witness rocket launches, and visit the Astronaut Hall of Fame. 5. Key West. Relax in this laid-back island paradise, visit Ernest Hemingway's house, and witness the stunning sunset at Mallory Square. 6. Universal Orlando Resort. Immerse yourself in the wizarding world of Harry Potter and enjoy thrilling rides and entertainment. 7. St. Augustine. Step back in time in the oldest continuously occupied European established settlement in the United States. 8. Gulf Islands National Seashore. Unwind on pristine beaches, swim in turquoise waters, and enjoy water sports in this natural oasis. 9. Tampa Bay. Visit Busch Gardens, explore the Tampa Riverwalk, and discover the city's vibrant cultural scene. 10. Florida Keys. Drive along the scenic Overseas Highway, snorkel in the coral reefs, and visit the charming towns of Key Largo and Islamorada. 11. Naples. Relax on beautiful beaches, go fishing in the Gulf of Mexico, and explore the upscale shopping and dining scene. 12. Sarasota. Enjoy the arts and culture in this vibrant city, visit the Ringling Museum, and witness breathtaking sunsets at Siesta Key Beach. Summary. Florida, with its stunning beaches, diverse ecosystems, rich history, and vibrant culture, offers a unique experience for visitors. From the magical world of Disney to the natural wonders of the Everglades, there is something for everyone in the Sunshine State. Poem about Florida. In the land of endless sunshine and sea, where dreams come alive, we find Florida's glee. From Miami's glamour to the Keys' laid-back sway, a tapestry of wonders awaits on this beautiful bay. In Orlando's embrace, magic unfolds, where fairy tales come true, as the story is told. The Everglades beckon, a wilderness grand, with alligators and herons, a wild and untamed land. Tampa's vibrant energy fills the air. As roller coasters thrill and laughter we share. St. Augustine's cobblestones whisper tales of old. A glimpse into history, a story to be told. Key West sunsets paint the sky, while Hemingway's spirit lingers nearby. And Sarasota's arts, a masterpiece in bloom. From galleries to stages, creativity consumes. Naples' golden beaches stretch so wide, where relaxation meets the ebbing tide. Gulf Island seashore, nature's retreat, with tranquil sands and waters so sweet. From Kennedy's Space Center, stars shine bright, to the serene beauty of Naples' moonlit night. Florida, a land of dreams and delight, a paradise to cherish, from morning to night. Song about Florida. Verse 1. In the land of sunshine and endless coast, Florida's the place where dreams come close. From Miami city lights to Key West's charm, this state's beauty can't be disarmed. Chorus. Oh Florida, where the sun meets the sea. From Orlando's magic to Tampa's glee, with history and nature, culture and art. In Florida's embrace, we find our heart. Verse 2. The Everglades call, a wild frontier, where alligators roam and birds appear. St. Augustine's history, a tale so grand, where Spanish roots forever stand. Bridge. From Naples beaches to Sarasota's grace, Florida's treasures, you'll gladly embrace. The Keys' laid-back vibe, so serene. In Florida's landscape, dreams convene. Chorus. Oh Florida, where the sun meets the sea. From Miami's rhythm to Key West's free, with laughter and adventure, beauty untold. In Florida's embrace, memories unfold. Outro. In Florida's heart, we'll forever roam, a state that feels like home sweet home. Oh Florida, our love for you will never fade. A land of wonders, where dreams are made. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.